Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed participants of the annual Gulf Research Meeting, it is with great pleasure that I address you today on behalf of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, as you gather once again to exchange ideas and insights, crucial to understanding and navigating the intricate dynamics of our region. The Gulf Research Meeting stands as a beacon of intellectual discourse and scholarly pursuits, fostering a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities that shape our collective destiny. In a world plagued by uncertainty and upheaval, the rules-based international order must stand as a bulwark against chaos and conflict, providing a framework for cooperation and peaceful coexistence among nations. As we witness growing threats to this order, it is imperative that we reaffirm our commitment to upholding the principles of international law, mutual respect, and peaceful resolution of disputes. Today, more than ever, we must heed the warning signs of escalation and instability that threaten to engulf our region in turmoil. The specter of conflict looms large, casting a dark shadow over our aspirations of prosperity and progress. It is incumbent upon us to exercise restraint, wisdom, and foresight in our actions, mindful of the consequences of reckless behavior and brinkmanship. Saudi Arabia, guided by a vision of economic prosperity and collective benefit, has long been a steadfast proponent of regional stability and cooperation. We believe in the transformative power of partnership and dialogue, seeking to build bridges of understanding and solidarity that transcend boundaries and divisions. Our nation remains committed to fostering an environment conducive to growth, innovation, and prosperity for all people in the region and beyond. Central to our vision for a just and peaceful world is the urgent need to find a pathway to the establishment of a viable and sovereign Palestinian state. The ongoing violence and bloodshed in Gaza serve as a stark reminder of the human cost of conflict and the urgent need for a durable solution that upholds the rights and dignity of all parties involved. We call for an immediate ceasefire and a renewed commitment to dialogue and negotiation, guided by the principles of justice, equality, and mutual respect. As we strive to navigate the complexity of our shared challenges, let us draw inspiration from our collective heritage of wisdom, resilience, and innovation. Let us forge ahead with courage and conviction, guided by the noble ideals of peace, prosperity, and justice for all. In closing, I extend my best wishes for fruitful deliberations and meaningful discussions during this esteemed gathering. May your endeavors in the coming days pave the way for a brighter and more secure future for our region and the world. Thank you.